In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that grid from your iPhone camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and basically all we have to do is just head over to settings, and in here we need to search for camera settings. Here it is. On camera settings, you can easily find that grid option. As you can see now, it is turned on, and to remove grid from your camera, you just need to turn it off. Let's check if it is worked or not now. As you can see now, it is no longer showing a grid on my camera. To enable grid, just turn it on back again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.